So guys, how to use mask in Adobe Animate? It's really simple. We have the eyeball at layer 1, eye shape at layer 2 and the outline at layer 3. Now suppose we want to place this eyeball inside the eye. For that we need to use the masking. How to use it? The object we want to mask need to be at the bottom layer and the shape we want to use for masking should be the immediate upper layer. Then right click, select the mask. See, it's really that simple. But there are some extra rules for masking, like the layers should be locked when using the masking effect, as you can see. And the shape we are using for masking should be a single shape, not multiple one. Let me show you. Let's draw a rectangle over it. Lock the layer. See, the new rectangle do not have any effects. Now if we send the new rectangle at the back, select the rectangle, right click, arrange, send to back. Now if we lock it again, see, now the rectangle is used for the masking. So if you have multiple shapes, the shape you want to use for masking should be at the back. Arrange, send to back. So it's better to use a single shape for masking. And if you want to see the object you want to mask, for that just right click, properties, opacity 50%. Then press on OK. So guys, that's how easily we can use masking in Adobe Animate. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.